In all fairness, these new idols kasi they're living in an age where it's a lot easier. Alam mo yun? With social media.
Correct.
Alam mo, it's easier to make people engaged even if you're not there. Yung nangyayari ngayon sa 17, it's a lot easier for me to accept what's gonna happen to them. Kasi I've seen how time flew by with BTS. And the fact that parang, meron na naman silang content. Alam mo yun, may music video na naman sila. May binebenta na naman sila. Alam mo yun?
Diba parang si JK nakapag-live pa siya nung December. Nagpaalam siya sa company para siguraduhin na pwede to Kasi gusto kong mag-live Kunwari, even like Jonghan and Wonu, they do release content every once in a while. Nakakatawa yung pinaka-last na every Wonu. Walang ginawa si Wonu. Tahimik lang siya. Let the subs go do the talking. Ganon. Which is so him.
I know.
So him. Naglalakad-lakad lang siya. Wala siyang sinasabi. Tapos kung ano na sinasabi ng subs. What are you doing, carrots? Mga ganon. I'm walking kasi ganito. Na-imagine ko yung mga Wonu Redol na ito talaga yung hinintay ko Titigan lang yung mukha niya.
Correct.